Hi friends, welcome to our channel Jayaditya Math Tutorial. In our previous class, we have discussed what is a set, and we have also discussed about the symbol that is belongs to and does not belongs to, and we also learned how to represent a set in different method, that is like roster form or tabular form. Roster form is also known as tabular form, and also the set builder form. So these are the two methods, that is roster form and set builder form. We have discussed about this in our previous classes. If you don't watch my previous class, please do watch it. That is complete basic video. So if you watch that one completely, then you can easily understand the concepts here. In this class, we are going to discuss the exercise problems. Okay, so without wasting any time, let us enter into our class. So look at this question. So this is the first question of your exercise 1.1. What is the question here? Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Okay, so from the given statements you should identify whether it is a set or not here. So for that you should have the knowledge of the definition of the set. So what is the definition of set here? The set is a collection of well-defined objects. So you know what do you mean by well defined. So let us see whether the following statements are sets or not with the reasons here. So what is our first one? Collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. Collection of all the months beginning with the letter J here. So you know that in a calendar year we have months like January, June, July. So these are the months which are starting with the letter J. So it has some specific answer there. So you can easily say that it is a set. So the first statement is a set. Let us go for the next one. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. 10 most talented writers of India. So as we have discussed in our previous class only, there is no specific criteria to decide whether he is a talented or not, right? For some students, one writer will be the best, and some other writers will be the best. So there is no correct criteria to decide whether a writer is most talented or not. Therefore it is not a set. And even a team of 11 best cricket batsmen. So here also the same criteria applies here. So why? Because there is no criteria to decide whether a batsman is best cricket batsman or not. In the previous class itself we have discussed about this one. And the next one, the collection of all boys in your class. Yes, obviously in your class there will be some particular number of boys. So if anyone can identify whether a boy is belonging to the class or not, so there will be no controversy there. So therefore it is a well-defined collection, therefore it will be a set. So here this is the set, and this is not, second is not, and third is not, and again the fourth one is the set. Here justify your answer. That means you should also mention your reason there. Okay, the next one is fifth one, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So everyone can tell the answer for that one. So what are the natural numbers less than 100? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 99. Why? Because here it is less than 100. So here also there is a specific answer for this one. So you can say this is also a set. Okay, the next one, collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Okay, so here also anyone can identify whether a novel is written by Munshi Premchand or not. So for example, if I pick a novel, you can easily say that whether this novel belongs to Premchand or not. So here you can easily say this is the well-defined collection, therefore this is also a set. Okay, and next one, collection of all even integers. Collection of all even integers. Here also will be having specific values here. You can ask anyone, your answer will be the same here. So you can say that this is a well-defined collection, therefore it is also a set. And the next one, collection of questions in this chapter. Yes, by looking at a question you can easily say that whether this chapter is belong to sets or not, right? For example, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. That is the question. Just by looking at the question you can easily say that this question belongs to the chapter sets. So it is also a well-defined collection, therefore you can say this one is also a set. The next one, a collection of most dangerous animals in the world. So some may tell that snake is most dangerous, some may tell that tiger is most dangerous, and some other may tell that cat is most dangerous. So there is also no particular criteria to decide whether an animal is most dangerous or not in the world. Therefore, it is not a well-defined collection. Therefore, it is not a set. So, simply you should understand whether, so answers should be specific here, Nana. Okay. So just by looking at the statement, you should understand whether it is well defined or not. Only when it is well defined, that becomes a set, or else it is not a set. I hope this is clear for you. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Right. This is the second question of your exercise 1.1. So what is the question here? Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the elements in the set. So this is like roster form. What is roster form? We have discussed in our previous class once you watch that one. And insert appropriate symbol. What is this symbol? This is belongs to or does not belongs to in the blank spaces. So this symbol is actually epsilon. So why do we use this symbol, Nana? So whenever you want to check whether the element is belonging to the given set or not, they will be using this symbol. So this symbol means belongs to, and if you strike it off, that is does not belongs to. So just by looking at the set, you can easily identify whether the element is belonging to the given set or not. So by identifying that, just you put the symbol, then that's completed. Okay, so what is the first question? 5-A. So see here in the set we have the elements from 1 to 6 now. So 5 belonging to the set A. So you can simply mention here 5 belongs to set A. And next one 8. We don't have 8 element in the set A. So you can easily say that this does not belongs to set A. 0 is also, there is no 0. So you can say that 0 doesn't belongs to set A. Whenever you are talking about 4, yes, 4 is the element of set A. So you simply mention here it belongs to set A. And 2, we have 2 in the set, therefore 2 also belongs to the set A. And what about 10? 10 is not present in the given set, therefore you can say that 10 doesn't belongs to the set A. So this question is very simple, but understanding this concept is very important. I already told you the sets is a very basic chapter. This knowledge you will be applying in your coming chapters. Therefore you should not neglect even a minute problem here or minute concept here. Okay, let us go for the next question. So this is the third question. What is the question here? Write the following sets in the roster form. Write the following sets in the roster form. So he has given some collections here. So some are in the form of set builder form and some are like statements here. So you should convert each and everything into roster form. So this is very simple. Just understanding the question and what you should know what are the elements comes into the set, and just you mention them in the set. But here you should have the knowledge of sets in the roster form. So how to write in roster form? The elements must be separated by commas, and also the elements should not be repeated. This is the very important thing. Okay, so let us try to write the roster forms of all the given things here. So what is the first one? What is the first one, Nana? So the set of all. I told you in our previous class how to read this one. The set of all x such that x is an integer and -3 less than or equal to, symbol is very important, -3 less than or equal to x less than 7. So what you should write in, so just by looking this one, you can understand that the elements are integers. And so what integers you should write here? So x value see, Nana. So -3 is less than or equal to x. That means you should start from -3. Why? Because here you have equal to symbol, right? So less than or equal to means you should also include -3. But here if you observe less than 7, so you should not include there 7. So you should be very cautious here. So how to write this one? So the set is denoted by the letter, capital letter A. So just write this statement here. So A is equals to, start with the curly brackets. So you should mention -3. So we want only integers. So -2 comes here, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That's all. You should not include 7. Why? Because x value must be less than 7 and x value is like greater than or equal to -3. -3 less than or equal to x in the sense x is greater than or equal to -3. So see here, greater than or equal to. So you take any element that satisfies the condition here. So therefore that will be the roster form of the given set. Let us go for the next one, that is denoted by capital letter B. So here we have the set capital B. The set of all x such that x is a natural number less than 6. This we have done in our previous class itself. So what is that one? it should be a natural number and less than 6. What are natural numbers? The number starts from 1, 2, 3 like that, right? So less than 6 means you should write up to 5 only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have written all the elements and separated by commas, and all are placed between the braces. So the next one, see, x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digits is 8 now. So you should mention all the natural numbers. If you add the digits, then it should be equal to 8. So how you will be writing this one? So see here, you should mention only 2 digits. You should not take 0, 8 and 0 plus 8 is 8. So 0, 8 is a single digit number, but you can start from 17. 17 means 1 plus 7 is 8. So see here, so you can have 17 here. Why? Because 1 plus 7 is 8. So this is a 2-digit natural number, and if you add the digits, then your answer is 8, right? So the next one is 26. The next you can take it as 35. The next one is like 44, 53, 62 and 71, and also you can take 80. Why? Because 80 is also a 2-digit number. If you add 8 and 0, you will get 8. So here what are the elements in the set C here? That is 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. Clear now? So write all the elements separated by commas in the curly brackets. The next one, D. The set of all x such that x is a prime number and also which is a divisor of 60. So you should be cautious here. So x is a prime number and also it must be a divisor of 60. Simple. This is very simple, Nana. You do the prime factorization of 60, then you'll get all the prime numbers. From that you can easily identify this. So how to do the prime factorization? See here, I am doing here. Just to do short division using what? Prime numbers. So start with the least prime number, that is 2. 2 30s are 60 and 2 15s are 30, and now 15 is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15. So what are the prime divisors you got here? 2, 2, 3, 5, right? 2, 2, 3, 5. Actually 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is 60, but you should not repeat the elements, right? You should not repeat the elements. So though I have 2 times 2 here, I should mention only 1 once here. So see here, so what happens here? D is equals to, what are the elements comes into this set? 2. Why? Because 2 is a prime number and also it is a divisor of 60. The next one is 3. 3 is a prime number and also divisor of 60. And 5. 5 is also a prime number and it is a divisor of 60. Though we have one more 2, you should not mention. Why? Because in the set, what is the condition? Elements should not be repeated. So to satisfy that condition, we are not writing 2 again. Clear? Let us go for the next one. So what is the next set here? E is the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. E, the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So regarding this type of question also we have discussed in our previous class itself. So how to write this one? So this is the set E. So you should write all the letters which are there in the word trigonometry without any repetition. That's all. So first of all you have T, write T, R, I, G, O, N, and again you have O, but already we have written once, so you should not write again. And the next one is you have here is M, next E, T. T already we have written once, so there is no need to write again. R also we have written, so again we need not write again. So Y we didn't write, so let us write Y here. So what are the elements here? So T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. So those are all the elements of set what, Nana? That is E. So you should take the precaution that no element must be repeated. So this is the same question. The set of all letters in the word better. So what you will be doing means you write the roster form of this question in the comment section for me. Okay. So let us go for the next one. I hope this question is clear for you. So what you'll be doing here, just write the roster form of this 6th one in the comment section. I hope you have understood this class very well. If you have any doubts, you do comment in the comment section. If you like my class, please do like and share with your friends. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Okay, whenever you are watching a video, please do watch it till the end. And in the coming class, we will be solving the remaining problems of exercise 1.1. So let us meet in the next class. Till then, bye.